Now, taking Digest Purge and Yeast Purge together is a fantastic combination to not only give you instant improvement from your acid reflux, but to actually get to the root cause as well. Now, there are some signs that are really obvious that you have yeast causing your issues and suppressing your acid. The first will be like fungal issues on the outside of your body, fungal toenails, fungal fingernails, athlete's foot, dandruff, thrush, white coating on the tongue, dandruff. If you have one or more of those issues and you have acid reflux, you can say for sure that yeast is your problem. Now, I take the Yeast Purge capsules, start with 1 before breakfast and slowly build up to 3, normally for somewhere between 1 and 3 months. And you want to take Digest Purge 2 capsules before a heavy meal. That should instantly improve your digestion, and that should get to the root of your problem.